Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to create a triangle like this using CSS. The code is going to be very simple and you can easily create a triangle like this using CSS. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Any link to the style sheet, it will be style.css. Here we only need a div element. Give it a class triangle. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select triangle class. Margin will be 100 pixel and auto. Width will be 0. Height will be 0. Border left will be 100 pixel, solid, transparent. Copy and paste it. Right will be same. And border bottom will be 200 pixels, solid, orange. Now pay a very close attention here. You can see the left and right is 100 pixel and the bottom is 200 pixels. So in case you make border left and right 50 pixels, then border bottom will be 100 pixels. So that's all what you need to create a triangle using CSS. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.